Hi everybody, it's Tricia from Tricia's Delicious Dishes and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making a really special recipe, seafood chowder. We're going to do it low carb style, but I am going to tell you how to make it regular as well. So stay tuned. If you like the video, make sure you give us a like, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell, and thanks so much for stopping by. Begin with half the chicken stock. Add your carrot, your celery, and your onion and bring to a full boil. Cover and allow to simmer for 10 minutes until the vegetables are tender. Next step is to mix our melted butter with our xanthum gum. We're going to mix that thoroughly and allow it to sit for at least 5 minutes in order to activate the xanthum gum's thickening power. Inspect your scallops to be sure that the abductor muscle has been removed. This flat muscle becomes extremely tough when cooked. Simply take your finger, gently pull away, discard the muscle, and you're left with a beautiful scallop. Next step is to add the remaining chicken stock and the cauliflower. I only use cauliflower stems and cut it into small dice to make it look like potatoes. And now it's time to add the seafood. The haddock and salmon are left in larger pieces and will break down naturally through the cooking process. I prefer the scallops and the shrimp to be a larger size. However, you can use bay scallops and baby shrimp and achieve the same flavor. Next step is to take some hot broth and add it to our xanthum gum butter mix. By doing this, it'll allow us to make a nice creamy thickening agent that's not going to give us lumps in our chowder. Introduce your slurry into the chowder by stirring constantly. This will help to incorporate, stabilize the chowder, and avoid any lumps. Next step is to add your flavoring, your white pepper, and your salt. Give it a good stir, cover, and cook on high for 5 more minutes. Reduce the heat to low, add parsley, dill, and heavy whipping cream. Continue to cook 3 to 5 minutes. Then remove from heat, leave covered, and let stand 10 to 15 minutes before service. This hearty chowder is so rich and creamy, you would never guess it's low carb. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and be sure to let me know how you enjoyed making East Coast low carb seafood chowder from Tricia's Delicious Dishes.